Graduating with a civil engineering degree is an achievement worth celebrating. But stepping into the professional world requires more than academic knowledge. The reality of modern practice demands a combination of technical proficiency, adaptability, and a mindset of continuous improvement. Success is not simply about holding a license or mastering a formula. It is about becoming the professional who can add value from the very first project. The foundation begins with software fluency. Tools such as AutoCAD, Civil 3D, and Revit are not optional. They are the universal language of civil engineering projects. The ability to prepare accurate alignments, design surfaces, and collaborate on intelligent models distinguishes those who can contribute effectively in real-world environments. Beyond design platforms, structural analysis tools like STAAD.Pro, SAP 2000, and ETABS ensure that professionals can assess performance under complex loads and provide safe, efficient solutions. These skills translate into tangible value for clients and project teams. Equally important is geotechnical awareness. Soils dictate how structures behave, and software such as PLAXIS and GeoStudio provide the means to model conditions that could otherwise lead to costly failures. A civil engineering professional who can analyze ground stability, pore water pressures, and staged construction scenarios earns trust by preventing risks before they surface. Coupled with hydrology and hydraulics expertise, using programs like HEC-RAS, SWMM, and WaterGEMS, professionals are equipped to design systems that manage rainfall, rivers, and urban drainage with accuracy and foresight. Beyond calculations and models, project success depends on management and communication. Scheduling platforms such as Microsoft Project or Primavera P6, along with collaboration systems like BIM 360, help teams stay aligned and meet deadlines. The ability to deliver precise cost estimates through tools like RS-Means ensures that projects remain financially viable. This balance between engineering rigor and business understanding is what elevates a civil engineer into a trusted partner. Surveying and field validation represent another crucial element. Modern GPS and GNSS rovers, combined with processing platforms like Trimble Business Center, allow engineers to verify designs in the field before mistakes become irreversible. The credibility of an engineer often rests on catching errors before they reach construction. Complementing this is the ability to automate repetitive tasks with scripting in Python or MATLAB, creating efficiency that multiplies impact across a team. Clear reporting is the bridge between technical work and decision-making. A professional who can present results in concise summaries, supported by graphics and consistent formats, builds confidence among regulators, clients, and communities. Emerging technologies also demand attention. Building information modeling is no longer a trend, but a standard, while sustainability frameworks such as LEED and Envision increasingly guide design decisions. Knowledge of innovations like 3D printed concrete and advanced materials signals readiness for the future. AXA Engineers has consistently demonstrated how these skills translate into excellence. As a global provider of outsourced civil engineering expertise, AXA Engineers integrates advanced software platforms, rigorous quality control, and a strong culture of continuous improvement to support partners across the United States. The firm emphasizes not only technical delivery, but also the development of engineers who thrive in demanding environments. By fostering innovation and cultivating multidisciplinary expertise, AXA Engineers has become a trusted partner in transforming challenges into long-term success for infrastructure projects. For those entering the profession, the path forward is clear. Success requires more than knowing theories from textbooks. It requires embracing tools, mastering analysis, communicating with precision, and adopting the mindset of constant growth. Civil engineering is a discipline where small wins, like catching a design error early or producing a flawless report, create the foundation for a strong career. Professionals who embody these qualities stand out, and organizations like AXA Engineers show how thriving teams can deliver outstanding value to clients and communities alike. The journey may feel overwhelming at first, but the engineers who rise are those who transform knowledge into applied expertise. With the right skills, the right mindset, and inspiration from leaders in the field, every new civil engineering professional has the opportunity not only to succeed, but to shape the future of infrastructure.